Hello, I'm Gideon Graff, and this is
Yolanda Smith.
Hi Yolanda. Yolanda is the newest addition to our faculty, and she's going to be teaching with us in the next classes. And today we'd like to tell you about our program for 2019, the first half. And this is what we're going to do. We have a class that's going to suit everybody's schedule. We have a 2-day class, a 5-day class, all weekdays. We have a 3-day weekend class. We have a 2-week detox class. And we're going to have twice the 3-week certification class in February it's in March and in June. So let me tell you a little bit about each one of these classes. We start with the 2 days. 2 days, it's our very, very basic class. You learn some excellent, great cherry-picked recipes and some basic nutrition science that will explain to you what exactly it is that you're going to be doing. Our 5-day weekday classes include a lot more recipes, a lot more good information, and a lot more hands-on experience for you. Then we have the 3-week certification class, which is the main class that we teach. This is 3 weeks of recipes, health science. You're going to learn how to do consultation, detox,
Sprouting.
video, sprouting.
How to organize your fridge.
Yeah, a lot of information. You can see all the information about our classes on our Eventbrite page, which is going to be graffacademy.eventbrite.com. Also on our website, graffacademy.com. Our Instagram, Gideon Graff.
And on Facebook,
the Graff Academy of Health Science. And yeah, we are very excited that Yolanda is joining us. That's going to be a wonderful
I'm very
addition.
excited as well because that will give me an opportunity to teach you the foundation of total health.
Yeah. And you have a little homework here. I mean, once you see this video, you need to actually email us or call us and let us know how old you think Yolanda is. So all of our classes include all the food, the manual, and also a place to stay here at our headquarters. So you don't need to find a hotel when you come here, and everything is good, easy, and not very expensive. So look us up on our Facebook, Instagram, and Eventbrite, and come and see us in 2019.
You forgot to say we have a nice infrared sauna. We have a beautiful deck sitting on a lake.
Yeah.
That they will get to use and enjoy.
I'm glad you said that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we end by wishing you a happy Hanukkah,
Happy Kwanzaa,
Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. See you in 2019. Come and see us. Bye.